welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do click on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So recently, my family and we went to Malacca for 2 days. It was like a short getaway. So Malacca is in Malaysia, it's part of Malaysia. It's in the southwest of Malaysia to be more exact. So this video is gonna be my Malacca experience. We actually joined like a tour group and we had a coach to bring us to places. It was mostly just shopping and eating, but it was a cool experience. It was nice. So I hope you enjoy my Malacca video, and if you do enjoy it, do click on the like and the subscribe button below.
Grooves on the track.
With your life, don't trust man, don't trust woman, don't trust your heart, you never should have. Oh.